elephant Trunks is enjoying a very deep snooze. A tiny sparrow named Pipkin flies in, looking for the perfect landing spot. Deciding Trunks' head looks like a fine perch, Pipkin gently lands. Pipkin begins exploring, hopping playfully from one of Trunks' large ears to the other. Pipkin lands right on the very end of Trunks' sensitive trunk. The sheer force of the sneeze sends Pipkin flying straight up into the air. Pipkin reappears, spiraling back down. He's thrilled! Trunks and Pipkin look at each other, happy that the unexpected launch turned into a fun game.
Please like and subscribe the channel.